Hey guys, Greg here at Planet Green Zen. Question for you. Do you know what a mastermind group is? A mastermind alliance? Have you ever even heard of it? Does it sound like gibberish to you? Well, in this video, what I'm going to do is actually speak to you about how to use a mastermind group. So stay tuned. Planet Green Zen, inspiring the everyday person to break free from the mundane and take action. Alrighty, so if you guys have never been to this channel, what I'd love to do is just inspire people around the entire globe, mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially, because I believe if we all had a holistic yin-yang balance of each one of those areas, we would eliminate hunger, famine, slavery, war, and have more health, wealth, and abundance together as one human unit on this entire planet. So if you guys do believe in similar messages, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification so you know when new videos are released. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts on these different topics that I cover. And then also just share these out with people in your community who needs to hear these messages. Okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so for those of you who don't know what a mastermind group is, it was actually started by, or the concept of a mastermind was actually coined by the late Napoleon Hill. So Napoleon Hill wrote a book called Think and Grow Rich, which was an amazing book, and it helped a lot of people, millions of people, become actually millionaires themselves and actually just to learn how to change their mindset and attract things that they want into their lives, because he interviewed 500 of the most successful people during that time frame. And then he wrote a philosophy on success, one of the first ones in its existence. So if you guys have never read that book, go ahead and check it out. But a mastermind alliance per Napoleon Hill, and I will have a little cheat sheet, but he says, the coordination of knowledge and effort of two or more people who work towards a definite purpose. In the spirit of harmony, no two minds ever come together without thereby creating a third, invisible, intangible force, which may be likened to a third mind, the mastermind. Okay, so I know some of you guys are thinking like, wow, is this some type of magic or some type of craziness that he's talking about? Which is not. It's actually a very good concept, and many people around the world, very successful people, actually all have mastermind groups that they actually come together and connect with. And you may want to be asking yourself, if you've never heard of it or you haven't been led on this journey yet, why would you even want to join a mastermind? What's the purpose? What's the point? Is it a waste of time? You may have those questions in your mind. I'm here to tell you that no, these are not wastes of time. These are actually beneficial and help you get to the next level in life or your business to where you want to be. Because without the mastermind and collaborative thoughts and different like minds, you may stay stagnant or even fall. But then when you have this, it helps you go up and elevate and keep elevating. You could think about like a mastermind as like a bunch of mentors coming together in a sense to where you're not necessarily mentoring each other, but you're just giving tips and advice and helping each other grow and flourish as a person or a business owner or whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish. Also think about it, guys, you actually can learn from other people and their successes and their mistakes. So you know, hey, maybe I should try this or maybe I should not try that. So mastermind will really help you actually elevate to the next level, get on a different consciousness, actually be able to reprogram your subconscious and your paradigm on a more positive level, just so you can actually help more people out and better yourself as well. And again, think about it, guys, even if you've been in a classroom environment or just in a group setting where you may have a question or a comment or something that's been challenging to you and someone else can answer it just like that without hesitation. You're like, whoa, I never even thought of that. I would not have thought of that for maybe another 5-10 years, and that person just said it right away. So that saved you 5-10 years of agonizing brain torture trying to think your way into something that you would not have ever thought of, because that other person was able to sow in their information, life experience into you, and that helped you get to the next level. So again, it is good to get ideas and bounce them off other people, because they will say something that you may not have thought of, but it'll actually help you out tremendously. Alrighty, guys, and another point is, or at least a reason to have a mastermind, is because you have a group brought up of men and women from different cultures, different backgrounds, different life experiences. And the reason why you want to do that is because you can learn so much from other people and their cultures and their backgrounds and the way they grew up and what led them to who they are today. So you have, again, different backgrounds, cultures, environments, and you just bring all that together and you learn from each other and help grow to the next level by learning from other people's experiences and their background. And also by doing so, it can help you actually just have more appreciation when it comes to things and when you're actually learning about other people. So let's say maybe you meet someone from a culture that you had no idea exists, or you never really interacted with a person of that culture and background. They can give you, and they maybe speak and give you their point of view of their life and their culture, and it will actually help you have more of an appreciation and acceptance of other people. So then also if you see someone else later down the line from that same culture, you actually can have more of a respect for them. And also, if they teach you something, maybe a word in their language or something that they do, you can actually go to that person and do that. And then a lot of times people are shocked, but they are happy that you actually took the time to actually learn something about their culture, and shows that you are not just there trying to belittle them or make fun of them, but you're actually taking time to learn and respect them and their culture, and actually will have more respect as well in your life. And also, guys, a mastermind group is a great place to go to where you want to meet like-minded people who have similar mindsets than you. Not necessarily have to do the exact same thing that you're doing or on the same path. Like if you want to learn how to race speedboats and that's your number one goal, well, everyone else in that group may not even like boats, but that's okay, because again, when you're learning from diverse people, it'll help you come together and be able to just collaborate and sync and talk and even have a little bit of fun or jokes or something. But again, when we have a mastermind group, again, it's a great place to connect with like-minded people, because when you start to do that, then you'll turn around maybe 1 or 2 years, and literally everyone that you're hanging around, you're going out to eat with, you're even outside of business, maybe you can have fun with a little bit, go see a movie or something. These people are goal-oriented, and that's all the people that you have in your circle, versus prior, you may have been like some people that says, well, there's no more good people in the world. I can never meet anyone that's business-oriented like me or have the same goals. There's no one around or left, but it's all about the mindset in your environment. So if you start to surround yourself around those types of people, that's all that you will know, and that's all that you will attract in your life. And another great reason to go to a mastermind is for accountability, because when you set goals, sometimes it's hard or it's easy to fall off because you don't have anyone there watching you or keep you accountable. But if you do go to a mastermind group, they will keep you accountable. You go every week, every other week, or once a month, whatever it is that you have or whatever you decide on. You have a goal, say, hey, I'm going to make 100 outbound calls, whatever your business is, by next meeting. And then they will document that, post it somewhere, and then by next meeting, you come back and you talk about that accountability to see if you met your goals, and if you did not, why. And again, if you're like me and you don't like that feeling where you feel like you're a failure or a letdown in a sense where you did not do what you needed to, it'll motivate you to think in the future of that next meeting, say, I have 2 choices. I can either go there and actually feel sorry for myself and feel down and say I didn't accomplish it, or I can just grind it out, do it, and then feel proud. So when I go there, you have other people there that are in the meeting, you say, yes, I did accomplish that goal, and this is the outcome or result. That makes you feel a lot better. Also, guys, the last point I will make in this video is you can go there for networking, and you can connect with someone that can change the dynamic of your business or life or anything, because you may meet that one person that may either be a direct source that will help you, or they may lead you to someone else that may actually help you out and get you to that next level in your life or business that you're looking for. Just by networking, connect with those like minds, and maybe you go to the meeting. Afterwards, you exchange information. You maybe go sit down for tea or coffee or lunch or something and just collaborate, talk, and see how you can serve and help each other out. And you just never know where that can go. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's actually all that I have for you for this video. So I hope you guys did like the message. Let me know what you think about masterminds, or if you have a mastermind yourself, in the comments below. And you guys know what time it is, which is time for the quote of the day. And this comes from F.M. Alexander. And Alexander says, people do not decide their futures, they decide their habits, and those habits decide their futures. Very powerful. So let me know what you think about that in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, well, that's all I have for you. So again, if you guys like this content, please subscribe to this channel. Please go ahead and hit that bell notification so you know when new videos are released. Share this out with people in your community who needs to hear these messages. And let me know what you think and subscribe. So this is Greg with Green Zen. You guys have a good day, and thank you.